Hello. All right. So today we're going to look at how to start a brand kit in Canva so that you can keep your posts on brand and aesthetically pleasing, because who doesn't want those things, right? All right. So let's head over to Canva, and I'm already in my brand kit. So let me get out of that. All right. So what you're going to do is when you get to Canva and you see your screen, your wonderful, beautiful home screen, you are going to go over to the tabs on the left that have home, projects, templates, brands, apps, and Dream Lab. And if you're a pro, this is really a pro feature. So if you're pro, you should have a brand with a little like crown above it that's grayed out. So you're going to hit on that. And as you can see, I already have a brand kit here, but because of the sake of this video and its educational purposes, we're going to hit add new. And let's name it something. We'll go with potatoes because who doesn't like potatoes? And we'll create. Okay, so now we are in the brand kit. And you're like, there's nothing there. There shouldn't be. It's empty, it's new, it's beautiful. So as we can see, you can add logos into your brand kit. You can add color palettes. You can add fonts for your different things like a title, subtitle, all of those, which comes in great handy for your carousel posts and your website if you decide to build it on Canva. You also have a brand voice, which I think is very cool and fascinating. You have photos, graphics, there's more down here too. You get icons, charts, and more colors. So let's start with the logos. So when it comes to uploading your logo, you're literally just going to upload a picture of your logo. So for example, let's just go with a random thing I got going on here. So let's just pretend that this quote that I uploaded is my logo, right? So you have that, and it's already taken colors from that logo. So that is really, really cool. And we'll keep those colors because I actually use those colors in my brand, so it's cool. Then you can also from here add your brand colors. So if you know what they are, for example, I know what one of mine is, then you can just add it. And it's super simple like that. So you have all of those, and pretty sure let me see here. Yes, and you can even name your color palette. So we'll call this 1. Make it super simple. Okay, so then that's how you add your colors. So let's go to fonts, because this one I actually had a hard time with, but it's really simple. So for your title, you probably, I use something that's very easy to read, but it's not like bold or italic. It's just very simple. So you're going to go in there, you're going to choose your font. I personally like This Seasons for my titles. It's super cute and works, to be honest. Then you can change what it is. You can change its size. You can change if it is bold or is italic. For me, I just like it to be regular. So we'll do that. Click the check mark, and boom, I already have a brand kit that has colors and a title, and you can keep going through the fonts and add your fonts the way that you like them. So let's go down here. The brand voice. Now, I have not done this before, so if we do that, we pop up in this little thing, and it's asking us to write guidelines describing how to write in your brand voice. So it's basically like text and typing and how you sound when you are writing things on your website and your posts and all things. And you get 500 characters, which is awesome. So we'll hit cancel because I don't personally need that. All right, then you have photos. So if you are a company that has stock photos that you absolutely love using on repeat or anything like that, if you have random photos that you like, this is where you should upload them. And then you can just access them a lot easier. So pretend with this entire thing is filled out, okay? So that is where we're at. And now you're probably like, okay, how do I use my brand kit? That, my friends, will be in a different video. So subscribe, and then you can get to that video. Thank you so much for watching.